guys! Yes! For today's vlog, ayan, makikita natin, nasa labas, ang liliit ng upuan nila, ganyan yung mga cafe sa Hanoi. O, diba? Pero room tour tayo ngayon.
This is Jessie Ketz. Welcome to my channel. And I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Yes, guys, we stay in Ilyana Ruby Hotel and Travel in Hanoi. It's in the city center. So, this is what my room looks like. Ayan. O, diba? Nakapasok na tayo yan, guys. Di top lang. O, ayan. Nakikita nyo naman. May do not disturb sign. And of course, palagi nyo tatandaan yung emergency exit map. Titingnan nyo yan. So, ayan. Ito yung papunta sa bathroom. Ayan, sorry naman. Siyempre, nakapasok na ako dyan. Ayan yung mga amenities, guys. You know, the normal amenities. Comb, toothpaste, toothbrush, shower cap, shaver, if you need it. Tapos, meron na rin silang provided na towels. Ayan, shampoo. Ayan, yung may glass. Actually, for 2 people to. Ayan. Pero, syempre, I'm the only one. Solo. Ayan. Kasi, yun nga, due to medical condition ng aking partner ay hindi nakarating. So, pero, it's okay. Spacious. All for myself. O, diba? Ganda. Ayan, may shampoo, body wash. At saka, ayan, may bidet din, of course. Hair dryer. Ayan, nakikita nyo hair dryer. Tapos may mirror. Yan, may pa-mirror dyan. Of course, ayan yung mga towels. Ganyan yung itsura ng door when you close it. Ayan, 2 beds. Yan, guys. Ayan. Ayoko na magpakita at hindi nakadamit ang lola nyo. Joke. O, ayan. 2 beds. O, diba? Ayan, may lalagyan ng gamit dito. Tapos may TV. Ayan, may decor dyan, may telephone, and the normal things that you can find. By the way, malinis siya. Tapos, meron din namang provided na slippers. Ayan. AC, air condition. Ayan, may mga cabinets where you can put your things on it. May side, what you call this, lights. May mini fridge over there. Tapos, may mga complimentary drinks. Ayan, 2 bottles. Yung coffee, this is the coffee that I love here. Pero yung gusto ko is yung black coffee lang, walang sugar. O, ayan, with compliments yan, guys. Of course, ayan, kettle. Siyempre, wash nyo muna yan bago nyo gamitin. And then, the mini fridge. Okay, ayan. Ayun, by the way, ayun pala yung best beer. I like that Hanoi beer pala nila. Ayan, oh. Oh, there you go. Try it kung pupunta kayo sa Vietnam. And what else? Let's see the cabinet. Ayan, Hanoi beer. And then what else? Ayan, ito yung cabinet. What's inside the cabinet? Safety deposit box, a extra pillow. Yan, may plancha pa. Hangiran, and then another side tables on this side. Ayan. For me, it's clean. Mabango naman yung sheet. Yun lang, guys. It's, ito nga pala ang famous coffee nila. Egg coffee. Yun lang.
Here, Pakabda.
Goodbye, Vietnam.
Goodbye. Goodbye, neighborhood.
Goodbye. Michelin, goodbye.
Ang laki-laki ng spa, oh.
That's a wrap, guys. This complete my Vietnam or Hanoi trip. By the way, this is Ilyana Ruby Hotel in Hanoi. Yun lang. And thank you guys for watching. Mwah!
And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias and let's be friends. Later.
Baby.